All right, want to bring in now Yahoo Finance's Inez Ferre. And Inez, there is certainly no safe space in today's session, virtually nothing. Everything looks to be in the green, meme stocks as well.
That's right. Meme stocks in the red again today. And take a look at our Wi-Fi interactive board. There's only a couple of names in this meme stock chart that are in the green, that being Macy's and also Dillard's, in sympathy with that Kohl's headline that Jared had been mentioning earlier in the hour. But let's take a look at the flagship names. AMC and GameStop down 10% for AMC. In fact, I'm going to pull up a one-year chart because AMC is trading at $16 a share. We haven't seen this price since around May of last year. That's when this stock really took off. So anybody that held this stock, that bought after May, bought above this price and held it for all this time, has seen losses, because we are watching as this stock has been heavily under pressure, along with GameStop as well. GameStop right now at $96 a share, prices that it hasn't seen since February of last year. You'll remember that this stock was at an all-time high, intraday high of more than $483 a share back in January of last year, when this whole GameStop meme stock phenomenon really started. I'm going to pull up a 2-month chart so you can see the losses in some of these names. AMC, GameStop down more than 50%. And I also want to mention Robinhood. Over the last couple of months, this stock has been under pressure, but take a look at this one-year chart that we're looking at. This company went public back in July of last year. It hit an intraday high back in August of $85 a share. It's now more than 80% off of its peak. So you can see the decline in Robinhood. This is seen by some as sort of a proxy for retail traders, because this company saw a huge influx of retail traders. It saw large volumes of crypto trading, especially in the second quarter of last year, and in the first quarter of last year, at the center of also the GameStop phenomenon. Reporting earnings, by the way, this Thursday. So we'll be taking a look at those earnings after the bell on Thursday for Robinhood. But overall, a tough day for meme stocks, and it has been really over the last few months.
Okay,
it has been
a tough day.
Sorry about that. I had a quick question for Inez. Are there any, we know Jared brought us some bright spots earlier. He had mentioned Kohl's and some of the other retailers rising sort of in sympathy with it. Are there any of these meme stocks that are bucking the trend and investors are pouring money into that speculative space?
You know, I took a look at the 2-month chart, and you can see that over the last 2 months, you did have Hostess Brands that's in the green, even though today it's in the red. But over the last couple of months, up 6%. You also have a small biotech firm here. Look, a lot of these names are also meme stocks for a short while, or they may be more trade swings. Really, GameStop and AMC are sort of the flagships that retail traders have said that they will hold, and that this is a long for them, and they want to really stick it to the short sellers. But overall, you have seen the whole basket, the overall basket, that's been lower.
All right. Thank you so much, Inez Ferre, for that report. It is certainly a tough day across the board.